Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to focus on a different eye look. So keep on watching. So to start with, this is the Hangover Primer by Too Faced. It is a really nice texture. It works as a moisturizer and a primer in one. It is based out of coconut oil, so it's very hydrating and good for dry skin. Can be used on combination skin as well. Always make sure that your face is highly moisturized before you start with any kind of makeup. So this is your very first step. The next one, here I am using a foundation directly. You can also use a concealer. So this is by Too Faced and the name is Born This Way foundation. So you can also use any corrector or concealer for that matter. But I am using a foundation directly because this is a really nice foundation. It's one of my favorites. It covers all the darkness and everything if you have the right shade with you. That's tricky. So always go to a store to find your correct shade. That's what I suggest. And if you know your shade already, then you can shop online. Because if you buy a very light shade, it will turn gray on your face after some time. So I usually buy a shade similar or shade darker to my skin tone because that's what looks very nice when you finally blend in the foundation and after some time when it gets absorbed in your skin. So I am applying all over my face. My major concern was my cheeks and under eyes, and on the forehead and chin I usually apply the remaining. Just dab it like I am doing. So the beauty blender also should always be wet before you use it. You should never use a dry beauty blender. Just run it under water and just squeeze it, remove the excess water and then use it on your face. It needs to be a little moist, not completely dry, because that won't spread foundation properly on your face. Next up, I'm using a compact to fix the foundation for the areas that crease for me the most. So you can also use a loose powder, but I really like this L'Oreal Infallible Me foundation. The compact. I think they have discontinued it in India for now, but if you can get your hands on the remaining stock that they have, just go for it. Here you can use a brush to set it or even your beauty blender. The brush I'm using is by Real Techniques. Do let me know guys if you want a full brush video. I can also make that for you. Here I'm using a Huda Beauty palette. I usually like to go with neutral shades. So here I'm using light brown and another darker brown. So to start with the crease, we always go for the lightest shade that we have. So here I'm creating a little bit of brown smoky eye kind of look that goes with all of your dresses, and whether it's morning, evening or night time. I'll start by applying the lightest color on my eyelid. Always dust out the remaining powder that we get on the brush. That's a better way so that not a lot of product is applied on your eyelid directly. So the first step is to create a crease. Use the lightest shade and the 2 1/4 motion like this, so that it evenly spreads throughout. You can go darker as per your wish. So I am taking another color now to just apply on the crease. So there's a different brush for this. The brush I am using is the Pro Arte brush. It's easily available on the beauty shops. So you can see there's a variation that has started coming up on my eye. So you can just mix and match and do whatever color you like. So now I am applying a black shadow on the top of my eyelid so that it mixes up well with the brown color and creates a brownish smoky eye look. So if you want a total black, you can just go with absolute dark black color. But here I want a transition from little light brown to black. After applying the color, you can just merge both the colors so that it creates an even look. Keep on blending both the colors till you achieve a good result. Moving on, I am using a black kohl kajal to give my eyes a definition. You can also go with the black eyeshadow. So first I like to apply kajal in my waterline, and then I use another brush that is specifically designed for smaller areas to use the black eyeshadow and just cover up. Here you can also use the brown shade, but right now I'm just going for black one so that the black kajal sets in place. So always use a powder product to cover up so that the liquid texture item stays intact in place. That goes with foundation as well as kajal or even lipstick. That is your quick tip. Next up, I think the eyes look perfectly fine now. So this look suits for daytime, but here if you want to turn it to a night look, I'm just using a glitter shade, probably copper, to use on my eyelids. So if you see, applying with the brush does not suffice the purpose over here because the texture of the sparkle is little different. So I prefer to use it with my finger and just swipe down. You can feel the texture when you touch the product, so it's a different kind of sparkle. So usually it gets applied on your eyelids properly if you use your fingers and just swipe down, just press and swipe down. So you can see the difference, right? This instantly makes your day makeup into a night one. So in case you just want to go somewhere at night, just apply this glitter foundation and then you're done. I think the eyes look well, other than the brows. So this is Fashion Brow by Maybelline. It comes in with a kind of pencil similar to your eyebrow shade. Here I'm using a grey colored pencil. So just line your eyebrows from below and above, and then do the same with the other eye. So now it also comes with a poof brush at the back with some product, so just fill in. So yeah, it's that easy to apply. It can save you a ton of time trying to shape your eyebrows. So go ahead, give it a try. This is a very convenient product for you. Even if you do not do your makeup every day, just try to do your eyebrows. Next up is lips. So I'm using the Lips Don't Lie Nykaa lip pencil. It helps to shape the lips properly. So I always prefer using a lip pencil before applying the lipstick directly. Do not overline your lips, guys, because it shows up. You can do a little bit overline, but like not too much. Try to just do the shape that's already there for your lips. I try to fill in whole lips before applying the lipstick so that it gives a better stay for your matte lipsticks. Here I'm using the Nykaa Bombay shade in the 01. It's my favorite lipstick and it goes on with every color, every outfit that you wear. So it comes with a brush. Since the liquid lipstick, just apply it carefully on your lips. Do not press your lips over. You can do it just once or twice because the liquid lipsticks tend to get removed if you press them too much. So yeah, always try to match your eyeshadow and your lipstick shade so that they do not go like way too off. Yeah, so here I'm using a Maybelline blush. It is very affordable, guys, and it has 2 shades in it. The peachy one and a slighter pink version. So always dust off the excess product and apply on the apple of your cheeks. I always suggest that you go for a little more blush because it eventually dusts off. So always apply a little more blush. Always apply on your tip of your nose, chin, and a little bit on your forehead. So it gives a flushed out look on your overall face. This blush is really nice, guys, try it. So here I'm using a highlighter from PAC. It's the name of it is Glowing Goddess. It has 8 shades in it. So I am planning to use the one that is little pink in color. So a highlighter always puts a glow on your face when you are in sun or any light falls on your face. So here I'm using a brush, but again I will prefer using my hands because anything with this texture usually comes out well when you use your hands. Yeah. So you can always use a brush, whatever suits you. After you've been using a product like once or twice, you get an idea of what works the best for you. So yeah, I'm using my hands because that's what works best for me in case of highlighters. Apply on the highest points of your face where the light will fall first so that it will reflect. You can also apply just underneath your eyebrows because that will give a very nice look to your entire eye makeup and overall makeup as well. Apply a considerable amount but not too much. See again what works best for you. So yeah, the whole look is complete. Please give me in comments below what did you like the most about this look and what would you like to see more in the upcoming videos. Also, do follow me on Instagram. My name is all about Ayushi without any space. Thank you for watching. Bye.